Good morning and welcome to the channel. Today we are going to simplify this expression. So sixth root of 4, we can write it as 2 into 2 is 4. Sixth root multiply by cube root 3 into 3 is 27, right? And for 60 we can write it 2 into 2 4 multiply by 15 is 60. Now for denominator, we can write 180 as 6 into 6 36 multiply by 5 is 180, right? And we know that 0.25 is equals to 1 upon 4 cube root, and then fourth root of 9 we can write it as 3 into 3, right? Now to solve this we have a 2 square, so we can write it as 3, and then we'll be having 3 of cube root, and then we can write it as 2 into 15, right? Now we can write this as 6 into square root of 5, and then for this term I can write it as under root 3. And if I talk about this we can write it like 1 upon 1 divided by cube root of 2 into 2, right? Now over here we can see that this divide, when we change it into multiply, we can write the expression as 3 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 15 multiply by 4 into cube root divided by, now we can multiply 5 to the 15 and we can write it as 6 into square root of 15. So 3 to the 6 and 6 into square root of 15, we can cancel out this and we can multiply 4 into 2, we will be having 8 cube root. For 8 cube root we can directly write as 2. Thank you for watching.